welcome to episode 2 of Wild Weather Wonders, where each episode we take questions sent in from viewers like you and we answer them. So today's question is actually from a second grader down in Sarasota, and the question is, how do clouds form? So that's what we're going to do today, talk all about clouds. Clouds come in many shapes and sizes, but no matter the shape and size, clouds need the same ingredients to form. And those ingredients are moisture, something to stick to, and the right temperature and pressure. Without one of these ingredients, you won't have a cloud. Okay, to demonstrate, you only need those 3 ingredients to make a cloud. I'm gonna make a cloud in this bottle. So in here was water at one time, which means there's still some water droplets in there and some water vapor. And then I also have some rubbing alcohol down here at the bottom, and that's gonna create one of our ingredients, and that's something for the water droplets to stick to. The other ingredients are the right temperature and pressure. So I'm gonna do that by squeezing this bottle and twisting it really tight to increase the pressure rapidly. And then what I'm going to do is decrease the pressure rapidly, and you get a cloud. So see there, made a cloud in the bottle with those 3 ingredients: the right temperature, the right pressure, something to stick to, and of course the water droplets already in. All right, well, that's all. Hopefully we answer your question about how clouds form. And if you have a question that you would like to send in to us, there is a Google form down below. Be sure to fill that out, and it could be your question that we answer next episode. Be sure to also like and subscribe. That way you get all the new episodes as they come out. What did one raindrop say to the other? Two's company, but three's a cloud.